Instead of using that inflator and sealant kit in a trunk, in this video, I'm just going to show you guys real quick how I was able to obtain a spare donut wheel, tire, and tools for my GR86. Now, of course, you can get them online used, but I chose not to. Now, to start off, I bought a donut tire off Tire Rack. The size is 135/80 by 16. This is actually the size of the spare tire from the last gen Subaru BRZ. Then I went to ToyotaPartsDeal.com and ordered a wheel, a jack, a wrench, the tie-down bolt, the wheel holder, and the jack handle. Then I bought a valve stamp separately. All the part numbers are in the description below. Now, quick check on the circumference comparison between the OEM and the donut. It's 1.2% difference, so it's not that big of a deal, but I would probably put the donut in the front, so even driving in a straight line, I'm not killing the differential in the back. So a few days later, the donut wheel and the tire showed up. Then I called a local tire shop, and $11 later, now I have a spare wheel and donut. The next day, the rest of the tools arrived. Now here we're in the trunk. I took out the OEM foam thing with the inflator kit, all that stuff out. The donut facing down in the trunk. The jack fits like a glove on the left side. Now I'll put the wheel holder facing down and tighten up the center bolt in the middle. It turns out the car came with a wrench, so now I have an extra one. The wrench and the jack handle go to the right, and I close the cover. It sits flush, no problem, perfect fitment. So this is how I obtain mine. Hopefully this is helpful. I'll see you all next time.